Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix an existing Discord account is already using this phone number. So whenever you are using your Discord account, you must be getting this type of error which says that an existing Discord account is already using this number. Please remove it before it can be used with a new account. So in order to fix this issue, the first thing that you need to do is to simply remove your phone number out of your Discord account. For that, you will have to click on this gear icon in the bottom, and then you will be redirected in your account section. Now over here you are going to see your email address and your phone number, and right next to it you are going to see this remove button. So if you click on this remove button, it will ask you to enter the Discord password. So you will have to provide your password over here, and then you need to click on this remove button. Now once it is removed successfully, you will have to click on the add button that you see, and you can add the same number into your Discord account, and this way you will not be able to see this error anymore. The second thing that you can use to fix this issue is you can simply sign out of your Discord account. In order to do this, you will have to click on your profile icon in the bottom left hand corner. Now over here you will have to hover over to switch accounts, then click on manage accounts. In the manage accounts, you are going to see your Discord username, and right next to it you are going to see these three dots. So if you click on these three dots, you are going to see the option of logout. So you will have to click on logout in order to log out of your Discord account, and after that you just have to re-log in your Discord account in order to fix this issue. The third method that you can use is you can simply view your password and you can change it. So in order to do this, you will have to click on these three dots in your browser, and here you are going to see the option of passwords and autofill. So you need to hover over to password and autofill, and then click on Google Password Manager. Now over here, if you search for Discord, you are going to see discord.com website. So if you click on discord.com, you are going to see your username or your email address and your password associated with your Discord account. So you can copy this password from here and you can use it if you are facing any problem in logging into your account. Or what you can do is you can simply change your password and then you can log in into your account in order to fix this issue. So with the help of these three methods, you are definitely going to fix the existing Discord account is already using this phone number error. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.